Homegirl Creations. Today we are going to make chocolate syrup. We can use this chocolate syrup for preparing milkshakes, for ice cream toppings and also for cake. Let's do the recipe now.
First, turn on the flame, add 3/4 cup of sugar and 1½ cups of water in a pan. While it's heating, take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of corn flour in a bowl. Mix it well by using hot water without any lumps. Now add this cocoa powder mix into the sugar syrup and give a quick stir to avoid lumps. Cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now chocolate syrup is almost done. In this stage, add 1/16 teaspoon of citric acid to avoid crystallization and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Chocolate syrup is ready. See the consistency? It seems like a watery, but when it completely cooled down, you will get the correct consistency. You can check the consistency by coating the chocolate syrup on the back of the spoon and give a mark like this by using a finger. If you see the mark clearly, then that is the correct consistency. Now you can turn off the flame.
We have seen how to make chocolate syrup simply in home. You do try this recipe. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click the like button and share this to your friends.